Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get email notifications when there are changes made in a Google Sheets. So if you have a Google Sheets file with a collaborator or with multiple users on it, you can get an email notification when any changes made in the sheets. So this is how you're going to do if you want to get the notifications. You can open the file and go to tools in here at the top. Here you can see the notification settings and tap on the edit notifications. So in here you can set the notification rules. Notify me at my emails when. You can click on this, any changes are made, and notify me with email right away, so that when a changes is made, you'll directly get an email notification. You can click on save, click on done, and let's make some changes into the sheets to see the example. So for example, in here I'm going to delete some items in here like this, and let's see if I get an email notification. So I'm going to open Miles emails in here. Let's see my inbox. So as you guys can see here at the top, you'll see this is the notifications that notify me that an edit was made recently. And if you want to meet or see what is changes, you can just click here, see the changes, just click here and it will open the file automatically, and you can see the changes are highlighted. So let's see, you can see this is highlighted, so the items are deleted before. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.